This week's feast,
the legendary hero from Undertale. What's up, everybody? Today we have another recipe from your favorite video game, Undertale, and it's a sandwich.
Heck yeah, it's a sandwich. I'm stoked about a sandwich. You guys,
of course,
sometimes give us a little kickback on the sandwich recipes, but this one is a special sandwich.
And it's more than just putting 6 ingredients together and slapping it together and calling it done. No, a sandwich, as Ashley knows, is a combination of the perfect ingredients to make the mishmash of meat, lettuce, tomatoes, and all that other good stuff into one whole experience.
And I happen to be a professional sandwich maker, so lucky for you guys, I'm on set today.
All right, this has an awesome bread shape to it. Let's get right into it.
Yeah.
We're all fans of the MTT Resort in Undertale. After all, it is home to the Glam Burger. But this time around, we're meeting a real legend face to face, the legendary hero. Since this is, for all intents and purposes, a pretty regular sandwich, we're gonna do our best to make this a custom recipe, and that starts with some legendary bread. So in a large stand mixer, combine 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt, and instant dry yeast before mixing together. When the dry ingredients are teamed up, add your egg and milk, mixing until a ball of dough begins to form. Now keep letting it knead until the dough is tacky, but not sticky. Take the bowl out of the stand mixer and into a lightly greased mixing bowl. Cover it with a towel and toss this somewhere where you don't have to think about it for an hour. It'll rise and double in size. Flour a surface, take your newly formed dough ball, and roll it out to punch the air out. Cut this into thirds and take one section to roll out until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. We made our own custom legendary hero cookie cutter, but you can also just cut the shape out with a knife or make your own with some thin metal strips from your local hardware store. Once you've fully cut through your dough, remove the excess and bam! We got ourselves a sword-shaped piece of bread. At least we're pretty sure it's a sword. It might also be a figure standing up with their arms at their sides. Either way, remove this from the table and place it on a baking sheet. Combine an egg and milk together to create an egg wash, and with a brush, cover each of your legendary bread swords from top to bottom. Don't be shy. The more you egg wash this bread, the better it looks when it comes out of the oven. Finally, sprinkle sesame seeds over the top as liberally as you want, and let the dough rise for another 30 minutes, then throw it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, and blam! Look at that, deliciously golden brown. Let's prep these sandwich ingredients. We've got pepperoni, salami, prosciutto, provolone, ham, lettuce, tomatoes, olives, pepperoncinis, mayo, fennel, sliced pickles, and vinegar. Prepare your legendary bread by slicing it evenly in half with a bread knife. Separate the two and coat one side with a layer of mayonnaise and the other with some mustard. All right, let's begin building this sucker. Lettuce on the bottom for the support and color, followed by tomatoes, a whole bunch of pickles, we love pickles, pepperoncinis, and olives across the top, and finally a drizzle of vinegar, fennel, salt, and pepper. And now it's time for the meat. Salami, pepperoni, prosciutto, provolone cheese, ham, and blam. Top it off and you have created a legendary hero of a sandwich. And look, it's a sandwich. You do whatever you want in the middle, but as long as what you put is between those 2 pieces of bread, you have a winner, and one that's gonna take you from 0 to hero. I was waiting for the entire voiceover to say that. All right, dig in, enjoy, and get that bread, son. Have fun.
Who's that patron? It's Liz Casper!
Liz Casper! Wim,
Yes.
have you ever heard how people say that sandwiches taste better when other people make them for you?
I haven't.
You haven't heard that?
No, that's really cute though, I love that.
Yes, it's like when you make a sandwich for yourself, it never tastes as good as when someone else makes it for you.
Oh, because it came with love.
And it might be true, but I don't think it's true for today because I made both these sandwiches.
And you're stoked to eat them.
And I'm excited to eat this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Let's dive right in.
Just.
I love sandwiches.
Wow.
This is a heroic sandwich. It's a classic Italian flavor.
Mm-hmm. My favorite. You can make your own little cutest sword sandwiches at home right now. This is so cute. It's perfect for an RPG, and it's also perfect for a mom. I have a 2-year-old running around now, and I'm getting all the sustenance I need. This is an amazing sandwich, y'all.
Undertale is such an amazing video game. It's got such a huge fan base, so make this, take a picture, put it on Instagram. Your friends that aren't in the know, if they know, They know. Wow, you almost completed the entire
Half my
sword.
sword is gone,
I know.
baby.
More than half. You did a great job.
I love
Holy
a
crap.
sandwich.
I'm gonna save this for later. It is that good. I don't want to waste it all right now on camera because I'd also like to talk to you, the audience.
That's good. You do the talking, I do the eating.
Well, speaking of our audience, if you guys haven't noticed, we've moved to a new set. And this set isn't just any set. It's one that we custom built by hand. And it was only possible because we have amazing supporters at patreon.com/feastofiction. We've been doing this show now for over 8 years.
Pretty sure our 8-year anniversary was like last week, right?
Yeah. And almost immediately after I met Ashley 8 years ago at Disneyland, I was like, hey, can you help me make something for a cooking show? And so that was our humble beginnings, and we've come so very far since then. We have a cookbook coming out next year, a custom set. We have a loving fan base of supporters as well that help us out. And if you want to be a part of that family, get a shout out on every single episode, as well as contribute to what recipes we should make every month, talk to us on Discord, and just interact in general. And some special patrons, if they qualify, will also get our book for free, as well as future merchandise, as long as they've been subscribed for long enough.
Wow, that's amazing.
Pretty amazing. Make sure you guys check it out, patreon.com/feastofiction. We wouldn't be able to make this show like we do if it wasn't for you all. We have lots of great things coming up in the new year. 2020, that's crazy.
It's a big year, baby.
That is a big year.
Considering I met you in 2011.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, how time flies.
Dude, it's a new decade. Can you believe that?
That's kind of crazy to think about.
It's very crazy. Everybody on Instagram is putting stuff about wrapped decade. I'm like, holy crap, it's the end of a decade right now.
That's actually a little intimidating and scary now that I think about it, but you know what? Time moves forward, and so do we. Things evolve and change, and so do we.
That's true.
This show has been through so much, and all of you loyal viewers out there are a reason that we've been able to keep going for so long. So thank you so much. If you guys like this recipe, please share it with your friends. Let your friends and family know. We're always taking recipe suggestions, so leave a comment in the comment section below about what food you want to see us make next on the show.
Yep, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.